Hello guys, welcome to Ambient Filter TV, and should I say Happy New Year. So later in a while, it's New Year's Eve, no? So and we're very excited na salubungin yung 2026 with a lot of blessing. So makita nyo naman yung ating dinner for New Year's Eve. Simple lang kasi we're too busy, pero of course kailangan din natin paghandaan yung paparating na New Year. So for tonight, for this New Year's Eve, we'll be having a Jolly Chicken Joy na kanina pa sinisilip ni Kai sa sasakyan ng in-order namin. And we have Jolly Spaghetti. Tapos umorder lang kami ng cake sa 2911 dito sa May San Marcos. And leche flan and ube galing dyan sa tindahan sa labas kay Sambilay. Ganun lang tayo ka-chill. Ganun lang tayo ka-simple. And of course, thank you so much Bustos Family Onyo Kokok and Onyo Kokok Kitchen for the ham. Yan po yung binablog niya na ham. Sabi nga sa akin, pre, bibigyan kita ng ham sa New Year. So ito na yan. And of course, one of our favorite hatch lechon manok. So sayang lang, hindi kami nakapag-reserve ng liampo nila, no? Pero okay lang, sabi ko nga doon sa may-ari, sayang hindi ako nakapag-reserve kasi ang sarap nun. Pero okay lang, kasi we have lechon manok na ang laki. Tignan nyo, dalawang order lang yan, napakalaki na. So hatch lechon kung kanyugan. Ayan, tapos we have fruits of course. Hindi na namin nakumpleto yung 12 or 13 ba, pero okay na yan. Kasi ano naman we always say as Catholic that any year, a year of the Lord, no? So Lord always guides us. So yung mga wine na yan, kunwari lang yan para lang sa vlog. Hindi po kami umiinom ng wine, pasosyal lang kunwari. So yun guys, thank you so much. I hope you'll be having a prosperous 2026 and continue supporting our vlog. Kasi dito, chill lang, kain lang, wala karte. Approve!